Hey there, this is Akshay Madan and welcome back to the part 2 of the complete wallpaper app series using the Pixels API in Flutter, right? So first of all, as you can see, I am on the main.dart and it is currently empty. So first of all, we have to add the dependency in the pubspec.yaml which we are going to use. So come in the pubspec.yaml and write the dependency in the dependencies thing. You have to write HTTP, right? So for fetching the API, we have to use this dependency, right? So HTTP, right? So I hope you have added now. Now come in the main.dart and let's start writing the app. So import material.dart first, then define your main function, that is void main, then run app, and define the name of your app. So new my app, and define a stateless widget, define your my app, and over here return the material app, right? And in the material app, first of all, we have to remove the banner. So debug show check banner, make it false, and you have to define the theme. So let's define the theme. Let's define the theme data, and let's define the brightness first. Brightness dot dark. Right. So I'm going to make a dark theme app. Right. So I hope you have done till now, and we are going to get this because we have to rerun the app. So first of all, let's define the home, because without home we can't go further. So in the library, just define another dart file, that is wallpaper.dart. So in this we are going to make the grid view, right? So wallpaper.dart. Now come in this file and start writing the code. Material.dart, write stateful widget, make it wallpaper screen. So let's keep it wallpaper. And in this return container, let's define a scaffold. And over here we are not interested in making the app bar, so we don't have to write the app bar. And define a body, and in the body I'm going to define a column. Why column? Because I want two things. First is the grid view, and second is the bottom button, that is load more button, right? So I'm going to define the column. So make a column, write its children. And the children, I want to define an expanded container. Why expanded? Because that grid view is going to take the complete available part of the screen, right? And that load more button is only going to take that 60 pixel height or 50 pixel height, right? So let's define children as expanded child container. Let's keep it like this for now. And the second child will be the container which will be having a child text button, or we can keep it just text, and we can define the text as load more, right? Now you can give the styling. So let's give the style, then font size, let's give it, so text style, font size, let's give it 20, and let's give the color as colors dot white, and let's give the color to this container also. Let's give the color as black, so colors dot black. Now let's run the file again. Come on main.dart and click on this run button. It's run without debugging. Now let's wait. Okay, one more thing in the main.dart, after this theme, you have to define the home. So in home, just define the wallpaper and import it. Without defining the home, your app will crash, right? Now let's wait. Now I'm getting something like this. So let's design it. So in the container, that is this load more button, let's give it a height of 60, let's say, and let's give it a width of the complete width of the screen, so double dot infinity, right? Now let's save it. Now I'm getting something like this. So let's keep this load more in the center. So let's wrap this text with center. Now let's save it. So we can see that load more is now in center. Now in the expanded child container, we have to define its child as a grid view dot builder. So grid view dot builder. We have to also define its item count. So for now, let's keep it hard coded and let's keep it 80, right? And in the grid delegate, we have to define sliver grid delegate with fixed cross axis count, and let's define the cross axis spacing as 2, then cross axis count as 3. That means 3 columns will be made, and we have to define the aspect ratio. Child aspect ratio will be width by height, so width will be smaller than the height, right? So 2 by 3 I'm keeping, 2 by 3. And we also have to define the main axis spacing. That means the spacing between the rows. So main axis spacing will again be 2. So same cross axis spacing and same main axis spacing, right? Now in the item builder, let's define the item builder as context comma index, and for every item we want to return a container for now, but after some time we will return the wallpaper. So return a container. The color will be colors dot white. Let's put the semicolon. Now let's save it, and as you can see, amazing, we are going to get these tiles. So that's amazing, we have got the tiles now, right? Now in the next video we are going to fetch the API and we are going to get the wallpaper in the JSON format, right? So stay tuned till the next content. Keep coding, keep innovating, and thanks a lot.